Well, I can see you sitting right there. Who are you sitting right there, Raccoon? I can see you sitting right there looking. I can see you sitting right there looking. I can see you hiding behind that bush. Yeah, Raccoon hiding behind that bush. Can I come over there where you at? You gonna let me get over there close to you? I see you standing there wide open looking at me, staring like you ready to run. I've been watching that raccoon for about 10-15 minutes. He's been down the raccoon trail way down there, and he's been coming this way for about 15 minutes, one step at a time. I don't know if he's hungry or just what. He's, I'm gonna come closer. Here I come. I'm gonna come a little bit closer now. I'm gonna come closer. About 4 o'clock, quarter after 4 in the morning. Hey, Raccoon, I'm gonna come closer one more time. Here I come. Which one are you? Are you the same one? Who are you? Can I get right here? I'm trying to look at you, see who you are. Who are you? Who are you? Raccoon, who are you? Come here. Come here. Stay in there and eat that stuff. Stay right there. I tell you what, it's kind of cool out here right now, and that wind blowing. You the same one? You the same one with a black dot on your nose? On your left side of your nose, you got a black dot? You ain't Black Mark. I know you ain't Black Mark. I'm looking. I think you're tattoo, ain't you? Are you tattoo? I think you might be tattoo. On his left hand. Looks like he's got a tattoo on his left hand. His right hand. I mean his left hand. Okay, his left hand does not have it on. My right, it don't have it, but his right hand has a tattoo on it. Looks like it. I don't know if you can see it or not. But see that right there? Move his head. Move your head over, boy. Right there you can see it looks like a tattoo. But if you look at his other hand on this side, it's just white. There ain't nothing on it. Hey, Raccoon, he's a nice raccoon. They called him Tattoo. Deplaned. That raccoon, he loves seeing that plane come in. That plane, he brings food. When that plane comes in, he brings food. That raccoon, he been on television before. He was on television. He was Tattoo on television. That raccoon was Tattoo on television. He's a movie star right there. He's a movie star. That raccoon, he's a YouTube star right there. That's a YouTube star right there, that raccoon right there. He's a YouTube star right there. He might be the most famous raccoon on the whole wide world right there, that raccoon. He been on the movies. He tattooed on the movies, what, Fantasy Island. He was on Fantasy Island. That was Tattoo on Fantasy Island right there. That raccoon right there, Tattoo. Could I get a little bit closer? I'm only about 4 foot from you right now. 3.5, 4 foot from you. Can I get a little closer? How close could I get? That raccoon tell you right now, he'll run off if you get too close to him. He don't play them kind of games. Raccoon right there. He don't play them games. I tell you what, he got some teeth on him. I'd hate for him to bite me. Boy, that would hurt. Raccoon, that would hurt if you bit me, wouldn't it? Them big old teeth you got. Old Black Spot, my cat, he's laying there on the couch. Comfortable. I just give Black Spot a little bit of treats and some canned cat food, liquid cat food. It was chicken and liver. Black Spot loves that chicken and liver. Uh-oh. You see that ant? You see that ant right there? You see that ant? See? See that ant? The ants must not can't climb that slippery thing. See him? There he goes. See him? He just went under the edge. And that must be a scout. That ant right there must be a scout. He's looking for food. When he finds food, he's back on the table right there. Raccoon, I'm gonna come one more step, can I? Can I come one more step? Can I come one more step right here? One step? That was 2 steps. I was gonna show him. You see that ant? Raccoon, that's you right there. Come here. I'm looking at that ant. I got about 1 foot from him. But yeah, there's an ant up there. He's walking around looking for something. He can go back and tell everybody, here it is. Yep. Raccoon. Hey, Raccoony. You look a little ragged tonight. You look ragged. You hear me? Patches, that's Patches. Patches, I'm depending on you, son. I tried to do my best. It's up to you to do the rest. Patches. And then one day a strong rain came and washed all the crops away. That raccoon, he washed all the crops away. That raccoon wouldn't. He got his back turned to me. Look at him. He must trust me. He's got his back turned to me. He was sitting down, had his back turned to me. And now he's plunging. Yeah, he was down the trail down there probably 10, 15 minutes. I watched him on the camera there. You can see his eyes down there. He was slowly coming this way. Hey, Tattoo. Come here. Come here. Hey, boy, come here. Come here. You posing? You putting the pose on? That raccoon, he was posing for the television. That raccoon was a star. He was a movie star. That raccoon's a movie star. Yeah, raccoon right there, he's so nice. He might be the nicest raccoon there was in the whole wide world. That raccoon right there, he was so nice. Look at him stretching. He was stretching. That raccoon. That raccoon, he was stretching. He was yawning. That raccoon yawned. I wonder if you'll touch my hand. Touch my hand. Touch me. Touch me. Come on. Come on, touch me. Come on. He got that close to touching me. He just about touched me. Yeah, he ain't doing nothing. He's just walking around. He's done come around here twice tonight. Raccoon, it's cold on me. I barely can see. It's cloudy. Oh, Lord. It's got where every time I stand up, I get dizzy. Sitting on his butt. Sitting on his butt. Hey, Raccoon. I was just looking for that ant. Well, come here. Now back up. Come here. Raccoon. Hey, Raccoon. Must be getting sleepy. He was yawning. He got me yawning now. Sniffing the air. Oh, God. I feel dizzy. Hey, Raccoon, can I walk a little closer? I want to look at you right here laying on your back right there one time. See what you're up to. Could I come a little bit closer than this right here? There, Raccoon, you Buddha belly. That's Buddha belly right there. He's laying on his back right there, that Raccoon. He's laying on his back. He's laying on his back with his legs wide open. Raccoon. Hey, Raccoon, what you up to, Raccoon? What you up to, Raccoon? Well, come up here where I'm at, Raccoon. Come here. I thought I seen eyes in the background down there. That's that raccoon tattoo right there. He's such a nice raccoon. He don't know why you want to stand in the way between the food right there. You get in between the food one time, Raccoon. You're getting in between the food, Raccoon. There he is right there, that Raccoon. He right there. He put the sneak around on. He's sneaking around right now. Getting on the sawhorses now, the old plastic sawhorses. That Raccoon, he's a nice Raccoon. Do I need to back up? Raccoon? Do I need to back up? I'm going to stand right here a minute just to see what he'll do. That Raccoon right there, he's a nice Raccoon. He's so nice. Just to see if he'll get close. Hey, Raccoon, I'm backing up right now, Raccoon. Hey, look here. Biting his tail. That's what Black Spot does. He bites his tail. I take Black Spot and I'll hold his tail like this right here, and he'll flee it, and I'll move his tail a little bit. He'll flee that all the way to the end. Come here, I'll hold your butt in. I mean, your tail. I won't hold your butt. I'll hold your tail. I don't want to hold that raccoon's butt. Come here, hold your tail, and you can flee it, Raccoon. Flee it. That raccoon has been hanging around right around there for the last hour. He's just right now. Raccoon. Raccoon, you still right there, ain't you? I know you're right there. I can see you right there. That raccoon watching me. He's right there. There you are, right there. What you doing right there? What you got going on right there, Raccoon? What you got going on right there, Raccoon? Raccoon. What's going on? Are you froze? Yeah, Raccoon, he's posing. He's froze. I'm going to go back this way, Raccoon. I'm coming down here. I ain't going to mess with you. I ain't got time to mess with you. I got better things to do to mess with you, Raccoon. Better things to do. I got better things to do. I got better things to do. Raccoon. He's down there. You look in the middle of the screen. You see his eyes down there. He's just playing. Oh, God, my back is killing me. Oh, my back's hurting me. Okay, he's right down there behind those bushes right there. He's just down there playing. I'm going to stop this video. I'm going to watch him on the security camera. Alright, he comes back up here. I'll come back outside. Alright. Stop this video. Stop.